Hey, Dub. I think it's about time we put on for the city,
What up?
man.
Patson
It's
here.
like we forgot or something.
Hope you guys are having a
Man, I'm so Cleveland, it's a goddamn shame. So East Side, I'm a goddamn
Kickflip.
Man, I'm so Cleveland, it's a goddamn shame. So East
yeah.
Side, I'm a goddamn gang. Say you ain't heard of my goddamn name, but I ass round here, I'm a goddamn king. And I put them out breaking these goddamn streets. Earn my stripes like a goddamn beast. Tearing up no
Firstly, what you have to learn is how to pump and ollie, which is the first thing you must learn when you skate.
the fame, still roll through the block, but they up and bang. Same hoes, they tell me up my name. I'm still a little white boy, yeah, the shit.
Ollies are pretty basic. All you gotta do, make yourself comfortable on the board and then pop it. Doesn't even have to be that high, as long as it's a pop and you get the flick on, it's fine. Get your ollies on lock, do them every time, however, whenever, and then start flicking out. Rather than just doing a flip, up ollie, just flick out. Flick out every single time. Put your feet here as an ollie, pop. Instead of actually sliding it forward, flick it out and you'll get the rotation. And make sure you don't land on the boards too soon, because then you'll just do a half flip. Make sure you don't land too late. Okay. Make sure you get your timing right and pop through the board and then boom, land it. Well, once you get it unlocked, where you can do it whenever, however, and you can do it off ledges, stairs, kickers, whatever you want to, bro. Oh yeah, and one thing, you can do low flips and high flips. It depends on what you want to do it, or if you're like lazy, you can just go boom. But that's not advisable. And then for the massive flips, put your feet for an ollie, literally for an ollie, pop high, but actually flick it out. Check this out. Yeah, Patson again, and I just taught you how to kickflip. Get it, land it, get it unlocked. It's a fun trick to do. Do it everywhere, whenever, however. Peace.